In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in systeme.io. Tags are one of the simplest ways to organize your audience, segment messages, and keep your marketing automations clean and predictable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to enter so your tagging system is clear, consistent, and easy to maintain. Start by logging into your systeme.io account. Once you enter your credentials, you'll land on the dashboard. If you manage more than one project, confirm you're in the correct workspace because tags are saved within each workspace. If you collaborate with others, make sure your user role allows you to manage contacts. Taking a moment to verify this now helps avoid confusion later. When you're in, open contacts in the main navigation, then choose tags. This section is the control center for every label you'll use to segment your list. You'll usually see any existing tags and an option to add a new one. If your account is brand new, the page may be empty. That's expected. This is also the place you'll revisit whenever you want to review your taxonomy or tidy up naming. Next, click Create Tag. A small window or panel will appear where you define the details. Think of a tag as a concise label you attach to a contact to reflect something meaningful about them, how they joined your list, what they're interested in, or where they are in your customer journey. In the form, enter a clear tag name and a short description. Keep the name simple and consistent, such as newsletter subscriber, webinar registered, or customer VIP. Avoid special characters and personal information. The description is your internal note that explains when and why this tag should be used. This is especially helpful for teams and future campaigns because it removes guesswork. If it helps, adopt prefixes to group-related tags like lifecycle, source, or interest. Consistent patterns make filtering, reporting, and automation rules easier to understand. Aim for names that don't overlap in meaning. Distinct tags reduce mistakes and keep segments accurate. And that's all there is to it. Log in, go to Contacts, open Tags, click Create Tag, and enter a clear name with a helpful description. With a simple, consistent structure, your tags will support clean segments and reliable automations across your funnels and email campaigns. Take a moment to jot down a few standard tag names and descriptions your team can reuse. A little planning here saves time later and keeps your entire contact database easy to navigate.